Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today we'll be talking about exceptions. Exceptions are how Python programs deal with things going wrong. Some examples of exceptions are dividing by zero, operations on the wrong types, or missing values. It's important to know how to handle exceptions using the try-except logic. Handling exceptions requires using the try-except keywords. First, I'm attempting division by zero, and we get a division by zero error. Then, I'm surrounding it with a try, and when there's an exception, it runs my print statement. We can put any logic in the except area, such as retrying failed code. We can also access the specific exception raised in order to operate on it. Here, I'm capturing the exception as the variable e and printing it out. Capturing this type of output is great for logging. Sometimes you want to inform the caller of your code that something went wrong. First, let's define our function to operate on two variables that can be added together. If the types are not equal, then we raise an exception. Let's call it when the types are the same, and we get the expected output. But when we call it with different types, we get an error along with our custom error message. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to exceptions in Python. Exceptions will happen, and preparing for them and handling them is vital. Links to my code and the blog post on exceptions are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.